Well, hello, it's John. Thank you for clicking on my channel. And I'm back out in the countryside and I'm gonna cook some breakfast in a wood. And blimey, as spring sprung, I can see more birds flying about. Yeah, vegetation is green and the woods are going green. Look at the birds. Flipping heck. My little day camp set up and we're ready to cook some breakfast. And today we're going to do it with a bit of military feel about it, as I've been plundering ex-military stores and what have you, and you are amazed at how cheap you can buy some stuff. And first of all, I've got water bottle and cup. That's is it Yugoslavian Army? I don't know if I'll use the cup, but the water bottle holds just about a litre, so that'll come in handy. All made out of aluminium. And then I've got a West German Army, Austrian Army mess kit, and the lid, as it were, I'm going to use as a frying pan. Get my sausages in there. In here what a mess plate, if you like, kidney shaped, but I've taken that out, left it at home, and I have got my bread cake in there, sausages and some tomatoes, so it comes in handy for storing my food. Gonna get a cup of coffee on go, and I'm gonna be using what the Norwegian Army used, which is my Optimus stove, and Wazza, bless him, gave me this. It's a treasured possession and it works absolutely brilliant. I haven't blown myself up yet, so we'll get all set up and get cooking. It was a bit of a mess just to get it started up, and I've got Coleman's fluid in the tank, and it just requires gasifying, so it doesn't run on Coleman's fluid as such. It runs off the vapour, so that's why you have to do the little preheating thing. I've seen Wazza do it with putting his hands on the tank and getting it warm and that, because he hadn't had no mess to get it going, and he gets it going like that. He's a bit of an expert with the Optimus stoves as well. Good old. So there it is, up and running. So we'll put some water in the nest tin. This solves this little contraption. Coffee filter. So it's got two little handles on. Stop it falling in pot. Don't go in that pot. And it's got a filter in it, so I can use my own coffee. We'll see how it goes. That just fits actually. So we've got Dancing Goat coffee, or a little bit left in there, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to use my other cup. I'm not going to use that one, not with the filter. Use me collapsible cup. And the filter fits on there a lot better. So we'll bang some coffee in there. Done my Dancing Goat coffee. Just make sure it goes all around. There we go. Right, we'll let the coffee drip through the filter. Looking forward to this. Put the coffee out on the go. Put some of this in here. Whoa, that was a sizzle. And my Dancing Goat coffee. That's lovely. A bit of powdered milk in it, but I don't mind it. This tastes gorgeous. Oh, so my little coffee strainer, what I bought from Amazon, about 7 or 8 quid I think, and it works for me. Just smudge that on the plate. Well, that's made it quiet now. And there we have it. Dig in, John. Back to you in a bit. Well, I've had my breakfast and it was flipping lovely. And I've got another brew on go. I ain't no more Dancing Goat, that was last of it. Coffee, that is. So I'm on a Taylor coffee bag. It'll do. You know, sometimes I think, like today, I've had to go out and go sit in a wood. It sounds really weird, doesn't it? And you know, it is so peaceful. And the only thing I've seen is flocks of birds and a great big hare, and that's all I've seen. And I'm here under my basher, and I'll give you a look round, but I'm not getting up. Just look at that. It's wonderful, and sun's shining through. There's some bluebells over there, but I've kept well out of the way. I assure you, no bluebells have been harmed during the making of this film. And that's what I'm looking out at. It's wonderful. Sorry if camera's at a funny angle, I'm trying to hold my coffee and drink my coffee at the same time. But it won't do you any harm at all to get a flask of coffee and go sit in a wood and have a brew and just absolutely chill out. Look at that. I'm sure if I just left camera running and played some therapeutic music, it'd go viral. Anyway, I hope you've liked my little video, and when I've had my coffee I'm going to pack up and I'm going to go walk over that hill and have a really good walk around. And if you've enjoyed my video, please give me a like, please comment away, and if you haven't already, if you could subscribe. I only need 27 more subscribers and I've reached my magic 2,000, and that's it, end of. I'm happy. So we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.